This is a video on the 17th of September of 18B Pole Street. The previous tenant has just moved out. This is before we've made any upgrades, any changes, any cleaning, additional, etc. This is the before state of the house. One bedroom, bathroom, toilet, entry, kitchen. Yeah, first I'll do a very nice set of stairs the previous owner put in. I've had this house a couple of years. It comes with the hose and the hose reel. All right. Grass is very well, maintained. That was they used to grow kama and tomatoes, etc. There, the soil is very good in that corner. It's a good sized backyard. You've got your clothesline there. Here's the heat pump, the outer unit, lounge windows coming around to the north side, where you've got this very big sunny deck. Yeah, when we bought it was about that big, and we've extended it, added on the seating and so on, and the railing. Yeah, not sure what I'm going to do with that trampoline. It comes with the house for me anyway. Whatever. Just coming on back here. Yeah, it looks like it's in a fairly good nick. To show you, coming back to show you the, we've got a garden shed, shall we say? It's a large size. You probably can't really gauge the depth or distance, etc., the size from this, but yeah, take it from me. It's a in terms of garden shed, that's a big one. Bit of stuff down the back here which I'll get rid of. Level out that dirt as well. You'll notice all of the windows have got security stays on them to prevent unwanted people getting access that way. And it also means you can leave the windows open through the day and get some air, get some ventilation, some airflow through. And while having the security. You've got your sky dish there, which comes through from that corner there. Also there's your internet comes in through there. Smoke alarm for the lounge. There's another one in the hallway. We're going to be changing all the curtains in the house. We'll be repainting and recarpeting, along with a whole lot of little things which I won't mention at this stage. Yeah, so here we are. This is a big heat pump up there. So this is built as a breakfast bar scenario. So you could imagine putting 3 bar stools there, and kids having breakfast while you're prepared here in the kitchen for them. Just a small space for a fridge. Lots of cupboards, lots of storage, beautiful tiles, shall we call it? Yeah, floor. Stove is nice and tidy. Looks like it is a fairly, I think I put that in. Yeah, so it's within a couple of years. Lots of big storage, and the handle, these ones anyway, they close by them, they glide, and then, oops, didn't say it. So they glide, and then they slowly close by themselves. That's a nice feature. Right, hallway. Here's your entranceway. Again, the tiled, all the wet rooms. This will be where you have your washing machine, laundry tub, etc. So it's nice having that tiled, just in case it spills, and also it looks really good. And speaking of looking really good, this bathroom is the pride and joy of this house. Yeah. So here's your shower. It's a good sized shower. It's got a shower dome on top. Not many places have those, but I make sure all of mine do. You've got your ventilation, which comes on with the light. You've got 2 lights in here. It's very bright. It reflects off the walls. It becomes very bright. Your toilet's there combined with this room here. There's a bit of chipping damage has gone on here, hence the stickers. But otherwise it's all good. Right, storage. There's your additional storage in the hall there. 3 bedrooms. It's the first bedroom. Not a lot to see. It's a room. It's a good sized room. Probably, it's more than 3 meters times 3 meters. It has a single wardrobe. So it's at least 10 meters square, that one. This is the master bedroom, shall we say. It's the biggest of the rooms. Again, not a lot to look at. It has a double wardrobe. The wardrobe size is larger. Obviously shelf and rack. We'll be getting all of that painted, all of that carpeted. We'll do the lot. Not a lot. We're going to be, things like this, for example. We'll sort that out one way or the other. Bring everything up to a nice standard. Last room, last of the bedrooms. This one here. This is facing. It's a southwest bedroom, shall we say? Yeah. This one doesn't have a wardrobe in it, but the other two do.